A sexual assault lawsuit against Cowboys quarterback Dak Prescott has been dismissed. Good evening. I'm Clarice Tinsley. The decision by a Collin County judge comes just a few weeks after a police investigation found no evidence of a crime. Prescott's accuser claimed he assaulted her outside of a strip club in 2017. Prescott sued the woman, claiming it was an extortion attempt. She countersued, and her lawsuit failed. There's still a criminal investigation into Prescott's extortion allegations against his accuser. Prescott's lawyers were pleased by the decision. Fox 4's David Centendry has their reaction. David.
Yeah, and the attorney for Dak Prescott says the case against the Dallas Cowboys quarterback was, quote, weak and an attempted money grab.
Dak Prescott didn't want to be involved in any of this. Let's start there. Anytime there's false allegations made about you, it's difficult, especially false allegations of this type.
A Collin County civil court judge dismissed sexual assault and defamation claims against Dallas Cowboys quarterback Dak Prescott Wednesday. And the attorney representing Prescott now has a message for the plaintiff and her attorneys.
Don't make things up about people just to go get some money.
Prescott's attorneys say a woman named Victoria Shores contacted them in January and claimed that back in 2017, Prescott assaulted her in the back of an SUV outside a Dallas strip club. The attorneys went public with it in March, saying Shores and her attorneys demanded $100 million from Prescott in exchange for Shores not going to police. Shores ultimately went to Dallas police, but the department found insufficient evidence.
I mean, this case never even was referred to the grand jury by the Dallas PD. That's because there was no corroborating evidence. There was no basis in fact.
Prescott filed criminal and civil complaints against Shores and her attorneys for alleged extortion. The Prosper Police Department handled the criminal investigation and turned its findings over to the Collin County District Attorney's Office for review in May. A decision has not been released. Prescott's civil filings against Shores and her attorneys are also active.
Dak is not seeking any money in those claims. He will be donating 100% of the proceeds that he receives into charities that support true survivors of sexual assault.
A hearing is scheduled for September 13th to determine whether sanctions might be levied against Shores and her legal team in response to Shores' claims of sexual assault and defamation lacking merit.
I'm upset at Mrs. Shores for bringing these allegations against Dak, but I'm far more upset against the attorneys that supported these false allegations and supported them in a way that is not legal. This is literally an example of what you should not do as a lawyer.
Shores' attorneys at Zahai Law Firm have commented with us in the past about this case, but they have not responded to multiple requests for comment today. Clarice, back to you.